It used to take me hours to design logos. Now, AI brings my ideas to life in minutes.
Designers like me are using AI to turn ideas into visuals, fast. It used to take hours to build a layout or polish a logo. Now, I sketch, click, and AI brings it to life in minutes. But it's not replacing creativity, it's expanding it.
AI is not replacing us. It's unlocking new ideas. It's like having a co-designer with infinite energy.
AI tools are leveling the field. My students go from sketch to final concept same day.
Across Africa, we're not just designing, we're redefining creativity.
With the right tools, we're designing smarter, bolder, and bigger. We're building it, collaborating with AI, experimenting in real time. This is more than a trend, it's a movement. Design is becoming more accessible, more powerful, and more human. Human plus AI equals magic, and we're just getting started.